Oh boy. You know when when you see this setup and I'm wearing the brand stuff that there's gotta be some type of update. Something's about to go down. What's going on YouTube? We're back with another video here today, and this video is gonna be pretty brief, nothing too crazy. I just want to update you guys on some new things that are here at Sayns Media. One of which being that we are embarking more into digital products. Not only will we be providing apparel collections as time goes on, but we also want to dip into the space of digital products. We wanted to provide certain useful digital assets that you can use in your day-to-day journey within the design space. They can be even the photography space, videography space, whatever that may be. When it comes to digital media, Sayns Media is trying to provide as much help in your own journey as well. What better way to do that by introducing some digital products that you guys can use in your day-to-day work. One of which being digital mockups. Now we have two separate mockups that we created. That is the t-shirt mockups and the hoodie mockups. The t-shirt and hoodie mockups are essentially very, very similar. Of course, the only difference being the garment themselves. With these mockups, we really want to just have a go-to mockup that you can use if you are creating a certain clothing line for a separate brand or even your own. They have tons of customization within them. Of course, you're able to change the front design, the back design, the sleeves, the neck label, the lower seam label, and even the hang tags on them. And we also provided the entire file at a nice 2K resolution. So if you were to export them, they're gonna look good pretty much across any digital media that you use on your TV, computer, screen, whatever it may be. It's gonna be nice high quality, of course. That's what we tried to strive for here. So with that, if you guys wanna check that out, make sure to visit the Sayns Media website. Link will be right up here to go check that out. The other digital products that we are now providing are Twitch panels. Now these Twitch panels have been provided by a new member on the Sayns Media team, Cryptic. Cryptic is someone who's been a friend of mine for quite a few years now. Met him through my Twitch streams whenever I was doing design related work. He's been there since day one, and he's really been a great friend to know within the design space. I thought who better to ask to join the team and help figure out certain projects within the Sayns Media brand. He's just gonna basically be my second mind when it comes to design. So shout out to you, Cryptic. I appreciate you hopping board. Make sure to give him a nice welcome in the comments for me. So like I said, Cryptic has provided these simple generic Twitch panels that you guys are able to use in multiple different colors. They're great because it's kind of a one-stop shop if you need some quick Twitch panels and you don't feel like paying for a completely custom version. These panels will be a great option for you. So if you guys need any or have been thinking about it, make sure to visit the website and check them out, see what you think, and let me know what you think. And finally, with that being said, lastly, I just wanted to kind of address the recent love that we've really been getting on the channel recently. I want to tell you personally, thank you very much for your kind words within the comments of a lot of the different videos. You guys seem to be enjoying the content, so I really do appreciate you sticking around and showing love here. We all appreciate you here at Sayns Media, of course, and I deeply do as well. This is only the beginning though. We have tons more coming. We're never really gonna stop. The bar is constantly going to be placed higher, and we're constantly going to try to strive for that bar that we set for ourselves. So again, just want to say thank you for the recent love, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, short video, quick little update. Make sure to comment down below the word pillow if you stuck around and watched the whole video. If you kind of skip through and you just find yourself here, comment the word blanket. That way I know which one you are. Be honest though, be honest. And with that being said, make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you actually enjoyed it. If not, maybe next time, no pressure. And again, thank you guys, appreciate you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Bye.